LED screen H-frame installation guide. H-frame assembly. Assemble and fasten upper and lower H-frames with thumb screws in sequence. Install cross beams between each layer for reinforcement. Align holes and fasten screws. Stagger the cross beams and fasten the screws as normal. Place sufficient counterweights on the base beam to keep the entire structure stable on site. 2. First layer cabinet installation. Shim under cabinets if ground is uneven to level all units for seamless splicing. Splicing lock. Same operation for vertical and horizontal use. Align cabinets sequentially and lock all splicing latches. At the joint of for cabinets next to the H-frame, use M5 long screws and connecting brackets for fixation. Use M5 short screws for other positions. 3. Installation of second layer and above. Align cabinets and tighten all vertical and horizontal connecting latches. Fix connecting plates. Assemble all remaining layers following the same procedures as the first and second layers. Align, tighten all splicing joints. Fix connecting plates. Finally, connect all power and network cables as shown.